beach. Today we will discuss about the different traditional attires of different countries. Part 1. So here is a list of the different traditional attires or traditional dresses of the different countries of the world. Let's go. This is the Mexican attire. Mexican attire. Next we have is the Panamanian attire. Panamanian attire. Then we have an example of an Indian attire. Indian attire. Next we have the South Korean attire. South Korean attire. Then we have the Nigerian attire. Nigerian attire. Next on our list is the German attire. German attire. Then we have the Bolivian attire. The Bolivian attire. The next one on our list is the Venezuelan attire. Venezuelan attire. Next is the Chinese attire. Chinese attire. And the last one on our list for the day is the Cuban attire. Cuban attire. Yay! And that also brings us to the end of this lesson. For more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.